Hey YouTube, it's your boy Logan J. I'm bringing you this pickup that I got last week. It's the Air Foamposite 1 Black Varsity Red. Retail was $200, got it for $120 outlet. These are the cough drops. Yeah man, I finally got them. These are sick. These are the favorites over here of the Foamposite ones for me. I really like these. You know, I pass up on the other ones. These are sick. The laces, I'm gonna swap them out. I gotta ask Dub where he got his. Dubstep Slap 415. Go sub to him if you haven't. You know, he's got heat for days and days. But yeah, I need the red laces up in there. Sick. Did a video on that. So Dubstep Slap 415. Alright, you got that penny logo. You got that drip like Drawn Skill says. And Mr. Premium Sneakers just reminded me. I just seen the video right now. Is electric blue. You know, Pro Foamposite. Sick. So yeah, let's do this review on them. You got that Varsity Red outsole. It's translucent. You got that penny logo there, red and black. That scent, and you got your black outsole tread. That's it. And you got your black Foamposite material up here, carbon fiber. You know, that plate right there. You got your Varsity Red Nike swoosh right here. You got your Nubuck material up here. This is like really nice. Perforation holes there. You know, you got your stripes up here, black and red. You got your mesh tongue over here for breathability. It's all on the tongue. Down here all the way to the top. The inside, same thing. You got your black Foamposite material. And the inside you got your Nike swoosh with the air, and the inside is all blacked out. The back you got that scent logo in red and black. And you got this like cloth material on the upper up here, the part of the ankle area. And some more mesh material in the back for breathability. So yeah, this is the shoe real quick. Golf drops. My first ones. Was waiting and waiting for these. These are my favorites right here. Of the Foamposite ones. Alright. Okay, YouTube. It's your boy Logan J signing off. Oh, you know who else got these? My man Chicago Shoebox. Go sub him too. He got these. He told me about them at the outlet. Who else just got them too? Cheap Kicks RI. He got them. Right now I can't remember. It's late. It's like 2 in the morning over here. I'm tired. If I don't do them as good, it's because I'm tired, man. I just did it because I watched this video and I said I'm gonna go do these videos real quick. So the quality's bad. Whatever, man. It is what it is. Alright, YouTube. Peace.